The objective for this video is 5.3. I can solve multi-step equations. That pencil is not working very well. 5.3, I can solve multi-step equations. Okay, and then we're going to write down the steps. First step is the same as always. Change the sign in the one behind. The second step is to distribute. The third step is to combine like terms. Then after that we undo multiplication and division. Or no, sorry, undo addition and subtraction next, and then last undo multiplication and division. Let's do a couple examples. So the first one is going to be, let's do 5 times z plus 1 plus 14 equals 19. Okay, I can't change the sign in the one behind because there's no subtraction, so I'll distribute first. When I distribute, I get 5 times z is 5z, 5 times 1 is 5, plus 14 equals 19. Then I'm on step 3, combine like terms. The 5 and the 14 are like terms, so I'll add those. So I have 5z plus 19 equals 19. Now I have a two-step equation. So I'll go on to step 4. I'll subtract 19 from both sides. So I have 5z equals 0. And then to get the z by itself, I would divide by 5, divide by 5. 0 divided by 5 is 0, so I get z equals 0. All right, for example 2, I am going to do 12 equals -3 times x minus 1 minus 6. Sorry, I wanted to find another color. All right, so step 1, change the sign in the one behind, right there and right there. Then I'll distribute the -3 to these two terms, so I have 12 equals -3x plus -3 times 1 is +3 plus -6. Then I have to combine like terms. The 3 and the -6 are like terms, so I get 12 equals -3x plus 3 plus -6 is -3. Now I'm on step 4, undo addition and subtraction. So to undo the -3, I'll add 3. So I get 15 equals -3x. And then I'll divide by -3 on both sides. So I get x equals -5. Okay, and then my last one is going to be 3x, I'll do it over here so there's more room, 3x minus 5x minus 1 plus 7 equals 22. So the first thing I need to do is change the sign in the one behind. I can do that here and here, which means I'm going to distribute a -1 to both of those terms. So the 3x doesn't change. -1 times 5x is -5x. -1 times 1 is 1. Then I have to combine like terms. I have two sets of like terms on this one. 3x and -5x is -2x. And then 1 plus 7 is 8. And the 22 doesn't change. Now I undo addition by adding 8 to both sides. I undo addition by subtracting 8 from both sides. So I get -2x equals positive 14. And then I would divide by -2. So I get x equals -7. What I need you to put in the box on this one is the -7. So you're going to type in -7 for your answer when you submit the assignment.